Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, like you read in the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing easy strawberry designs, and these are my go-to designs, you guys. So when people ask me for orders, I'd be like, I already know what to do because I love these designs. Can we just appreciate how smooth this chocolate is? Oh my lord. But anyways, for this first design, I always do it. I don't do it as often as I do my other ones, only because it's like super simple. It's like, yeah, it's like level 1. You guys can do this. It kind of reminds me of a Duvalin since it's like chocolate with the white. I don't know, but it still looks so bomb. Tell me I'm lying, y'all. Tell me I'm fucking lying. Drizzle or like do any of the chocolate designs, I don't know if this is just me in my head or what, but this is what I do every time I'm gonna drizzle. I like to put my chocolate in a bag, obviously, and then I do all this massaging for my chocolate. I don't know if that helps, but I feel like it does help make it a little bit more smoother. But yeah, for this little heart design, I usually add it onto my bouquets or like Valentine's Day. It's like so cute, simple, and easy. This design, I think it's called like the S design. It's probably the most difficult design I have on this video, but it's like so easy still. It's just a bunch of S's, you guys. Like, don't overthink it. I used to overthink this design so much to the point where I couldn't even do it. It would look so dumb. But I like to have my little S's basically almost touching. That way it looks like compact and like full, and it's like, oh, she did her thing or whatever. Y'all know what I'm saying? I think you guys know. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorite designs. I do it all the time, especially in pink. Oh my god, it be looking so cute in pink, y'all. You guys, and here go my favorite strawberry to do. Well, it's probably my top 3, okay? My top 3 is my drizzling. I love drizzling strawberries. They're my absolute favorite. They just look so beautiful. Like, you can never go wrong with a classic strawberry, you guys. And since apparently I got favoritism, let me show y'all my second favorite. This is the little loop-de-loop one. It took me forever to master this design, only because I feel like I'd be thinking about it too much, and the first time I did this, I almost gave up, y'all. I was never gonna do it again, but now it's one of my favorite ones. Look at that. Chef's kiss, baby. And here goes my third favorite. So this one's just exactly like the last one. It's a little loop-de-loop, except this one you do it sideways on the strawberry instead of up and down. And this one also looks just so cute and elegant. Like, I don't know what it is about these that they're just so freaking cute. You guys, this is the easiest way to do marble. I rarely ever do it this way because it's chocolate with white, and nobody ever asked me for chocolate and white. But it's like so cute. I usually love, my favorite marble to do is with pink food coloring. Let me know if y'all need a video or whatever. But yeah, it's like so cute. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Ugh, I never get tired of these. So for this design, we're gonna go ahead and keep the base wet. This is the only design that I've ever done where I keep the base wet and we drizzle on top of it. So can we just take a moment to appreciate this drizzle, because wow, just like wow. But anyways, go ahead and grab the smallest, thinnest toothpick you guys can find and drag it down the strawberry, and then you drag it back up. So you guys, on the next line I'm about to make, not this one but the next one, I made a little error. I don't know if you guys can catch it, but you can see it more when it's dry. But when you're doing this little wave design, make sure you guys do it more on the softer side, because the deeper you do the toothpick, it'll leave like a little hole and it just don't look cute. You know what I mean? Yeah. Another tip I can give you guys is make sure to use the mini cupcake liners, you guys, because if we use the regular cupcake liners, it's gonna be all cup, no strawberry, and we don't want that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my YouTube video. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see more of my custom orders, I'm totally down to make that now that it's gonna be Thanksgiving holidays. What the hell did that even mean? Anyways, y'all know what I meant. Holiday season's coming up. If y'all want to see cute ass little custom designs, I got you guys. All right, bye guys.